In Jamaica's sun-kissed isle, where the breeze is sweet and light, there's a certain grace and beauty that the women possess tonight. Their elegance and sophistication, a true work of art, a reflection of the island's rich culture, deep within their heart. Their laughter echoes through the streets, a melodic sound, as they dance with pride and poise, their beauty all around. Their skin a rich brown hue, a testament to the land, a true embodiment of Jamaica's cultural brand. Their hair, a tapestry of textures, a crown of glory, a symbol of their heritage, a story to be told. Their eyes, bright and expressive, a window to the soul, a reflection of the island's vibrant spirit, whole. Their beauty is not just skin deep, it's a state of mind, a reflection of the love and joy that they find. In Jamaican women, you'll find